Getting ready for the real wooers in a minute.
He's going to run out. Look, he's trying to look round the side.
Harrison.
That's it.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, he's going to fight you now, Tim. Look, he's trying to fight you. Oh, not in the mouth.
Ooh. Yeah, Sam's done that before. Look at his little head tilt.
Yeah, no, that's because he looks round the side. Ready? Ready?
Pardon me.